Well, Winnie Byanyima has shared a document on her X account. This is serious. A document which appears to be from South Sudan. The heading is the Republic of the South Sudan, Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Office of Spokesperson and Media Directorate Press Statement. Now, it's a press statement in response to what General Muhoozi posted on the 17th. They're saying, yesterday, the commander of the Ugandan People's Defense Forces, son of President Museveni, posted reckless and irresponsible remarks on the platform X, threatening to capture Khartoum as soon as U.S. President-elect Donald Trump takes office. This unprecedented and deviant utterance displays an incredible level of disrespect for international law, the authors of interstate relations, and the principles of mutual respect between sister and friendly nations. It further constitutes a complete departure from the accepted code of conduct expected of holders of high official and military positions, who are required to exhibit reason, discipline, and careful choice of language in their behavior. Threatening war, violating national sovereignty, or defying the United Nations Charter, the African Union's Constitutive Act, and international law are far too serious to be trivialized or used as a means for seeking attention or sensationalism. The government of Sudan therefore demands an official apology from the government of Uganda for these offensive and dangerous remarks. He equally calls on African Union, regional and international organizations, and the entire international community to condemn these statements, which pose a clear threat to the regional and international peace and security and insult the dignity of Africans. Now that's a response coming in, shared by Winnie Byanyima, that is coming in from South Sudan, straight from the Ministry of Foreign Affairs in the Department of Spokesperson and Media Directorate via a press statement. So whatever development, we're going to bring you on our podcast without waste of time. Thank you.